Right, so Elgamel में क्या हो रहा है? We are given, I'm taking a question as an example. So a message is encrypted as a pair 12vx. So we are given 12 and we are given vx. Now understand that this is g to the power k, right? It's just a notation, there is nothing to be understood, and this is the encrypted message. Alright? Using Elgamel Cryptosystem over a single letter. So we are doing unigrams, alright? So it's not like, V and X are encrypted together. V is encrypted separately, X is encrypted separately. And sent to a user who selected a secret integer a is equal to 15. So our a is equal to 15. It's a secret integer. It will be given to us. Right? And what's the next one of the question? With g is equal to 2. So g is equal to 2. Now over here, just don't confuse this with this. This is separate, this is separate, okay? And a finite field of f29. So we have f29. So our prime number, so it will always be a field of a prime number. So P over here is 29 because the field is 29. Let's go with the question again. We are given an encrypted pair where encrypted pair 12, Vx, where 12 is g power k. It's just a notation. Vx is the encrypted message and it's unigramly encrypted. So V is encrypted separately, X is encrypted separately. We are given a is equal to 15, which is a secret integer. Generator is equal to g is equal to 2 and a finite field of prime number 29. So our p is equal to 29. So what we do is, first we find out g power k to the power p minus 1 minus a. Okay, so g power k is 12 to the power p is 29. So 29 minus 1 minus a. So a is 15. So minus 15. So 12 to the power, it will become 12 to the power 13, and we find mod of this with respect to p. So we find 12 to the power 13 mod 29, which comes out to be 12 only. So it is congruent to 12 mod 29. Alright. Now what we do is, we take V and we find its decryption. So we know that in V, so V can be written as 21. How do we write it as 21? We write it as 21 from, if we number A to Z as 0 to 25. So V comes out to be 21. Alright. So we know that V is 21. So how do we find out what it is decrypted as? We take its letter 21. We multiply it by what we got over here, 12. So what we got over here, from here, what we got 12. And we do mod P, which is 29. And this comes out to be 15. This comes out to be 20, and 20 according to this is u. Right? Now we take x. X we know is 23 again from this particular scheme. So we do 23 into 12 mod 29, which comes out to be 15, and 15 is p. Right? It is p. So Vx is basically up. Let's go over it again. So we were given an encrypted message. It's a pair, okay? So we get g power k, we get an encrypted message as Vx, unigramly encrypted. We have a secret integer 15, we have a generator g2, and we have a prime field 29. So first we find g to the power k to the power p minus 1 minus a. So g to the power k is 12, p is 29, a is 15, and minus 1. So g 12 to the power 29 minus 1 minus 15, which is 12 to the power 13 mod p. So 12 to the power 13 mod 29, which is 12 mod 29. Alright, you can assume this to be your decrypting key. Okay, this is a decrypting key. Then we take the unigrams. V we know is 25 according to this particular scheme. So we multiply 21 with the decrypting key, which is 12. We find mod 29, which comes out to be 20, and 20 according to this particular scheme is u. Similarly, x is 23 according to this particular scheme. We multiply with the decrypting key, which we found from here, mod 29. We find 15, which is actually p. So Vx is actually up. This is Elgamel Cryptosystem.